Welcome back to Advance Auto Review. Today we're taking a close look at the 2027 BYD T5 Camper van, a vehicle that blends modern electric innovation with real-world camper practicality, designed for people who want adventure without giving up comfort or efficiency. From the outside, the 2027 BYD T5 Camper van looks clean, modern, and purpose-built. The design is more aerodynamic than traditional camper vans, with smooth body lines that help improve efficiency on long journeys. The front features BYD's latest signature lighting, giving the van a confident and futuristic look, while the tall roof and extended body clearly signal its camper-ready nature. Large side windows not only enhance visibility but also flood the cabin with natural light, making the van feel more open and welcoming when parked at a campsite. Practical touches like sliding doors, sturdy roof rails, and reinforced lower panels show that this van is designed to handle both city streets and rougher outdoor environments. Step inside, and the T5 camper van immediately feels smartly planned. BYD has focused on making every inch of space useful. The interior layout is flexible, allowing the seating area to convert easily into a comfortable sleeping space. High-quality materials give the cabin a premium yet durable feel, ideal for long trips. Storage is one of the biggest strengths here, with overhead cabinets, under-seat compartments, and dedicated spaces for camping gear. The kitchenette area includes a compact fridge, a sink, and space for a portable cooktop, making it easy to prepare meals on the road. The overall design balances comfort and functionality, so you don't feel cramped even during extended stays. Technology is a major highlight of the 2027 BYD T5 camper van. At the center of the dashboard is a large touchscreen infotainment system that supports navigation, smartphone connectivity, and vehicle settings. This system also integrates camper-specific controls, allowing you to manage lighting, power usage, and climate settings directly from the screen. BYD's advanced battery management technology ensures efficient energy use, which is especially important for campers relying on onboard power. Multiple USB ports, wireless charging, and optional solar panel integration make it easy to stay connected and powered up wherever your journey takes you. When it comes to practicality, the T5 camper van truly shines. Being electric, it offers quiet operation, which is a huge advantage when camping in peaceful natural locations. Charging options are flexible, with fast charging capability for road trips and compatibility with home or campsite charging solutions. The van's range is designed to handle long-distance travel while still providing enough power for onboard appliances. Climate control systems are optimized for efficiency, keeping the interior comfortable without draining the battery too quickly. The driving position is upright and commanding, making it easy to maneuver in urban areas or tight camping spots. Performance-wise, the 2027 BYD T5 camper van delivers smooth and confident driving. The electric motor provides instant torque, so acceleration feels responsive even when the van is fully loaded. This makes highway merging and hill climbs much easier compared to traditional camper vans. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps and uneven roads without feeling too soft. Steering is light and precise, which helps reduce driver fatigue on long journeys. Overall, the driving experience feels more like a modern electric SUV than a bulky camper. To wrap it up, the 2027 BYD T5 camper van represents a new direction for camper travel. With its modern design, smart technology, practical interior, and smooth electric performance, it offers a compelling option for adventurers who want freedom without compromise. Whether you're planning weekend getaways or extended road trips, this camper van shows how electric mobility can fit perfectly into an active, travel-focused lifestyle.